Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set an image on your home screen on TREZOR Safe 5. It may get a bit difficult, but I'll guide you through everything because on other versions of Trezor there is an online generator for the images, so you can upload your own image and it'll convert it to an image that is supported by Trezor. In this case here, there's no, on the TREZOR Safe 5 there's no such tool, but as you go to settings, go to device, you'll find Homescreen, and it says it supports JPEG format, 240 by 240 pixels up to 16 kilobytes, so there's quite a few requirements here. And what I recommend doing is going to ChatGPT. You may need to have an account in ChatGPT for it to actually work properly. So I think I may need to relog in because it may not work because my saved memory is full. And if you're logged out, then it won't work probably. Okay, now I'm relogged in, so all I'll need to do is upload the picture that I want to convert. So I'll just drag it here. I can drag it or click on plus and click on add photos or files, then type in the same thing as me. So it should be crop the image to square. It has to be a square shape. Only square shapes will be taken. Then scale it to 240 by 240 pixels. Then convert it to JPEG and compress so it has less than 16 kilobytes. Now let's wait a moment, and it should start analyzing. If it does, then it starts working properly. Yeah, you can see it's actually creating everything here. Let's try downloading it. It's starting the download, and now I'll just get to let's go to desktop, maybe save. And now if I go to Trezor Suite, I should be able to click on upload, select the processed image, open it, and yes, if it works properly, then I have the button to change home screen. Now I'll just need to approve it with the pin because I have my device locked currently. It's verifying the pin, and tap to change the wallpaper, confirm it, and you can see it's changed. So that's how it works. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.